Okay, it's the toy review of Happy Meal of McDonald's, Kung Fu Panda 2 from DreamWorks, and here's Po and Master Shifu, and here's Po, Mantis, and Master Shifu. Here's gonna open Po. There's Po, and here's Mantis, and the instructions. So it's the balance of justice. There's number one, move his arms. Triangle must be pointed like that, and I do it. There's and this. There, and the second instruction is look at, there's a hole at back of Po, and has a hole here in Mantis' hands. So the point is you will put Po like that. Now he can balance. Turn it like that. Mantis can balance it. Yeah. Oh. Don't throw me, Mantis.